Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On my way for another adventure today. Going to be visiting the famous Burney Falls. Burney Falls is located in Shasta, California. It is known for the beauty of its waterfall. So we're going to see what that's all about. Excited to be here, excited to be exploring and seeing something new. Okay, so we're here. And 1, 2, 3. Burney Falls, force creates beauty. And here we are. Wow. This famous waterfall falls 129 feet down to the bottom. Isn't it gorgeous, y'all? Tell me y'all ain't seen one like this. Have y'all? This was my first time. The sound was just indescribable. The moment, nature, the snow, everything, guys.